Hey guys, kami ang hashtags. Sabay-sabay nating aralin ang Wellness Campus hashtag Health Goals Dance. Ituturo namin to sa inyo ha. Let's look good and feel good every day. Kaya ready na ba kayo? Let's go!
Yeah! Okay, wellness warm-up muna tayo guys. Simulan natin ha. Stretch your arms forward. Ikot ang ulo. And chest out. Ikot ang kanang balikat. Hilahin ang kaliwang tuhod. Ulitin natin ha. Stretch your arms forward. Ikot ang ulo. Chest out. Ikot ang kanang balikat. At hilahin ang kaliwang tuhod. O, nakuha nyo ba? Punta naman tayo sa susunod na step. Ihakbang ang kanang paa at itaas ang kaliwang braso. Balik. Ihakbang ang kaliwang paa at itaas ang kanang braso. Balik. Iikot ang dalawang braso for the muscle pose and dalawang pump. Kuha nyo? Sabayan naman natin with music.
Para sa set 2, remember to eat healthy. Okay guys, ito na. Roll right, roll left, push right, push left. Okay guys, ulitin natin. Ito. Roll right, roll left, push right, push left. Okay guys, ito naman. Uulitin lang natin ang health goal step. Left, back, right, back, hagod para sa muscle pose and then pump, pump. Okay, ulitin natin. Ulitin natin ha. Left, balik, right, balik, hagod para sa muscle pose, pump, pump. Okay guys, ito naman ang next step. Pound, pound, jump sa right, jump sa left, forward, back, and pump, pump. Okay guys, ulitin natin ulit. Pound, pound, jump sa right, jump sa left, forward, right foot, balik, and then up, up. Okay guys, para mas kumpleto, syempre uulitin lang natin ang health goal step. Alam niyo na yan, di ba? Left, back, right, back. Hagod para sa muscle pose and pump, pump. Okay guys, ngayon naman pagsasama-samahin natin lahat with music.
Pagkain mo ba'y tama? Ito ba ay may sustansya? Health goal mo ay wellness. Balance what you eat. Malunggay, rice and meat. Health goal mo ay wellness.
Hi guys! Set 3 tayo. Start our health goals. Okay, ready? Side, side, muscle, muscle, and elbow, punch, elbow, punch, and sabay left, sabay right, and stomp, stomp, jump, jump. Okay, ulit. And side, and muscle, muscle, elbow, punch, sabay left, sabay right, and stomp, stomp, jump, jump. Okay guys, next tayo. Open, open, forward, chest, and top rock left, top rock right, and cross, cross, jump, jump, and roll, throw, roll, throw. Okay, ulit. And open, open, forward, chest, top rock left, top rock right, and cross, cross, jump, jump, and roll, throw, throw. Oh, with music naman tayo, sabay-sabay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's healthy dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay kumain ng lahat. Huwag magpapauhaw, time nang gumalaw. Tara na sumayaw.
good guys, bali step 4 na tayo. Ito ang hashtag health goals. Una, gawin natin, point your right foot forward, stretch both arms up, and then twist. Right, left, Tapos gagawa tayo ng hashtag ha. Right, left, hashtag. Very good. So from the top tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. So, pagsamahin natin ang hashtag health goal step. Ito naman ang health goal step. Right, up, left, up, punch, punch, pump, pump. Yan, nakuha nyo na. So, pagsama-samahin natin with music.
Hashtag health goals, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness.
Hey guys, aralin naman natin ang look good, feel good moves. Handa na ba kayo? Okay, so left hand nandito naka-close. Extend nyo yung right and angat nyo yung right. So paikot, punch. Tapos pagka-land stomp, naka-cross ang arms. Then open stomp, close stomp. Tapos atras, hatak with your right with hips. Tapos left, right, then left. Tapos next, step forward, punch to the left. Tapos step left, punch to the right. Atras, punch with left. Atras, punch with the right. Next, whip, whip. Open, then close. Clap yun. So ulit from the top. 5, 6, 7, punch. 1, 2, 3, atras. 5, 6, 7, 8, punch. Punch, 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 punch. Whip, whip, open, clap. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa next 2 8s natin. Ready? Okay, so step right, hawi, then pull. Step left, hawi, and then pull. Now, talon konti to your right foot. Tapos may big circle with your right hand. Tapos kabila naman. Big circle with your left. Then ulit, pero small circle. Tapos small circle. Tapos open your legs. Reach forward, both hands. Tapos close. Tapos ito naman parang may towel sa batok nyo. Step right, tapos punas to the right. Step left, punas to the left. Tapos next is right foot down. Parang nag-a-appear. 5, 6. Then step left, 7, 8. Kabila naman. So ulitin natin yon from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hawi, pull. Hawi, pull. Circle, 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 circle. Bukas, sara, towel, towel, high five, high five. Let's go guys, try naman natin lahat with music naman. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, treat our bodies good. Time to give them healthy food. Drink water like you should. Keep moving, yeah, we feeling good.
Oh, kayang-kaya, di ba? Kaya huwag nyo kakalimutan yung mga tinuro namin, ha? Dahil steps to look good and feel good every day. Kaya tara, sabayan nyo ulit kami.
Health goal more, I wellness. Health goal more, I wellness. Pagkain mo ba'y tama? Ito ba ay may sustansya? Health goal more, I wellness. Balance what you eat, malunggay, rice and meat. Health goal more, I wellness. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay kumain ng lahat. Huwag magpapauhaw, tayo nang bumalaw. Tara na sumayaw. Leo, Leo, hashtag health goals. Health goal treat our bodies good. Time to give them healthy food. Drink water like you should. Keep moving, yeah, we feeling good. Start our health goals. It's healthy dapat. Pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay